Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get motivated to achieve any goal. Doesn't matter what it is. Now, we generally talk about business because we do e-commerce and sell digital courses, but how about this motivation thing? Do you ever have a morning where you get up and it's like, God, I just don't feel like doing this. I know I need to do this. I know I need to do this, but I just don't feel like it. When I feel like it, I'll do it. I just gotta get my head straight first. You ever get that feeling? Here's the problem. People think that motivation is the key to success. It's not. Sorry. I know you thought, wow, once I get motivated, I'm gonna be really successful. Nope, not gonna happen. Here's the truth. Motivation is really tough to come by. Motivation generally will come out of success. What do I mean by that? Well, you may not be motivated, but if you force yourself to do something, if you put in the actions and you get some success, okay? So you could apply this to anything, work, gym, whatever. If you start forcing yourself to go to the gym 4 or 5 days a week, I know I've been doing that lately, and you lose 2-3 pounds, 4 pounds, whatever, and you see that on the scale, that motivates you. Then you go, wow, I accomplished something. Now I want to do it. So the problem is all of us think that if I just get motivated, I'll get successful, when in fact the biggest motivator is success itself. So you have to take that mind that says, I don't want to do stuff. I don't feel like doing this. And you got to force it and say, I know you don't want to do this, but this is what we're going to do. I'm going to pick some products from my store and I'm going to start putting them there and I'm going to run some ads, and I don't even want to do this, but I want the success of selling some of them and I want the profit of selling some of them. And if you do that and you have a little bit of success, you're going to increase your motivation to want to do it because you're going to see the success. But to sit back and say, when I get motivated, I'll apply the efforts and I'll get successful, won't work. What you have to do is just apply the efforts, put forth the work, do all that stuff. And when you do, and you do the right actions and you achieve a little bit of success, then what's going to happen is that you're going to get some of those successes and you're going to feel motivated. So it's kind of backwards. Nobody ever teaches us that. They just say, hey, get motivated and you'll get successful, and it's just BS because it doesn't work. Fact is, you got to have some successes and then you'll feel motivated. So those are my suggestions to you today. And as you can see, I'm kind of doing a little exercise today, walking around the lake here in San Diego, enjoying the nice weather. And it's motivational. So it'll help me get some successes maybe later on in the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it, like it, give me some comments on it, and pass it on to somebody else you think it may help. People generally will share stuff on social media, and the reason they do it is because they want other people to know the kind of stuff they listen to, or impressed with, or like. And if you share this, they're going to say, hey, that person's into motivation and success. I like them. So go ahead and give it a share, and I'll talk to you soon.